Akne sir, welcome you once again in the online lecture series of information system. Let's continue the part which I studied previously, and then we move forward to the new topic. So today, our topic of discussion will be the various types of the information system. Up till we have seen what is actually mean by the information system, then various components of the information system, the concept related with the business, etc. etc. Okay. Now today the most important part on which the question usually being asked for the 10 marks or the 8 marks, and also 2 marks question is also possible just to name the various kind of information system. Okay. So basically the term information system we have studied is nothing but what? Information system is the set of the interrelated components which is used for the collection, storage, processing and the distribution of the information. Okay, that definition already we have discussed number of times, as well as we have studied the different components using which our information system form. Which are the components? Software, hardware, data, people, procedure as a rules to utilize the information system, etc. etc. This point already we have discussed. Now I also told you the examples of the information system also. Which are the examples of the information system?
Business.
Examples of the information system. Which are the different examples of the information system?
ERP.
ERP that we have
Office
discussed.
automation.
Very good. Office automation.
Office auto.
Expert system. Expert system.
system.
Etc. Correct. So these are the examples that already we have discussed. Now here, nowadays, if you see the various kind of industries, the small industries or the medium industries or the what we can say the large industries, everywhere there is a utilization of the information system, and each particular organization might be having their different need from the information system. Correct. Different organization use the information system based on their need. Now related with the organization, number of times I have made clear, the organization can be a manufacturing industry or it can be a educational institute also. Correct. So what I want to ask, whether the need of the educational institution and the need of the manufacturing industry related with the information system will be the same or different? Yes, all of you got the question?
No, sir.
Whether the need of the information system for the educational institute and the need of the information system for manufacturing industry, whether it is same or the different?
Different.
Definitely it will be different. Manufacturing industries utilize the information system for the different purpose, and the educational institute utilize the information for the different purpose. That already we have discussed. Okay, so different information system can have their different kind of functionality, yes or no, and the uses. Correct. Yes.
Yes.
It is correct or not? Different information system related with where actually they are being getting utilized, whether they are getting utilized in the manufacturing industries or whether they are getting utilized in the educational institute. their functionality will be different and their uses will be also be the different. Understood? And because of that, there is a certain categorization of the information system, classification of the information system into the various types. Okay. And mainly 4 types of the information system today we are going to discuss. Okay. In that first one, transaction processing system, all of you must be able to see. Yes. All of you can see the figure.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Second type of information system is the management information system. Third type of information system as a decision support system. And lastly, fourth one, ETS, which stands for the executive information systems. Okay. All of you got the 4 names. First one is the transaction processing, then management information, decision support system, and the last one is the executive information system, which can be also called as the executive support system. Okay. Now we have to discuss these all the 4 kinds of information system one by one. So first one is the transaction processing system. Okay. Now first point you must be clear here. In the single organization, now in order to understand this type of information system, we'll take the example of manufacturing industry. All of you are agree? Yes.
Yes, sir.
In order to understand the types of the information system, I take the example of manufacturing industries. Okay. And in the manufacturing industry, as all of you know, there are the different departments are there, correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In the manufacturing industry, there used to be the different departments. There used to be the different kind of employees who are working, where the role of the employees are also different. Hierarchy of the employees also different. Correct. Related with that, last time we have discussed one point, that is the management. I hope all of you are remembering that point. Which point? Management in the business. Correct. Which are the different levels of the management?
Top level management, middle level management, and lower level management.
Top, middle, and the lower level management. Correct. What do you mean by the management? What is mean by the management?
Managing.
Yes.
All business.
Yes. Managing the. Yes, correct. Continue.
The process of managing the people or other things.
Yes, it is a process of what we can say the administrating or process of managing the organization. Now, what is the organization? Organization can be a profit-making company or the institute, profit-making organization, or it may be a non-profit organization, or it may be a government body. Understood? So, management in is such kind of organization is nothing but the what we can say, making the strategy or the plan, doing the coordination and cooperation of the employees, setting the goals and the objective, utilizing the various kind of resources available in the organization to fulfill the goals and the objectives. So this is nothing but all things related with the management we have seen. Okay. Now somebody told me there are the, as we have discussed, 3 main levels of management: top level management, middle level management, and the lower level management. So in the manufacturing industries, there might be a single information system being utilized, or there might be a more than one information system can be utilized. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If the organization is very much big, okay, if the organization is very much big, then there are the chances that there can be a more than one information system can be utilize. Correct or not?
Yes.
Yes. So now where this kind of more than one information system can be utilized? There, according to the level of the management. What? According to the level of the management, more than one information system can be utilized. You got this point? What? According to the hierarchy or according to the level of the management, more than one information system can be utilized in the certain organization. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. And based on that only, the types of the information system are there. Okay. In that first one we have, that is, first one is what?
Transaction processing system.
Transaction processing system. First information system. Now I hope all of you must be able to see this pyramid. Now in this particular pyramid, its size is getting decreases as it is going on upside. Correct? Yes, all of you can able to see this pyramid.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, size is getting decreases as it is going upward. Now there is a specific meaning for that. What is that specific meaning? Specific meaning is what? Mostly utilized information system in the organization is which? Transaction processing system. Slightly less than transaction processing system, the information system being utilized is what? MIS, that is the management information system. More less than management information system, the information system which utilizes what? Decision support system. And the most rarely information system utilized in the organization is what? Executive information system. And that is the reason the diagram is being represented like this. All of you got the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So which is the mostly utilized information daily? The first one, which is called as a transaction processing system. Okay. Now here you don't have to just take the meaning of the transaction, is like transferring the money from one account to the another account. That is not the exact meaning of transaction here. All of you agree with me?
Yes.
Here meaning of the transaction is what? Activities being done within an organization. First, all of you must understand this point. All of you got the meaning of transaction?
Yes, sir.
Here transaction meaning is what? Various kind of activities being done within a organization. Okay. So in that, related with the first information system, if you ask me, sir, who is going to utilize this information system in the organization, and this kind of information system being utilized in the organization by whom? The workers or the employees. And in other words, the lowest level management utilize the first type of information system, that is called as what? The transaction processing system. All of you understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Then for what purpose exactly it is being utilized? Okay. For what purpose being it is utilized? So the main purpose of the transaction processing system or the information system is nothing but record keeping of an organization. That is nothing but the main utilization or purpose or the use of first information system, that is what? The transaction processing system. What is the use? Record keeping of an organization. Can anybody explain me what does it mean, record keeping of an organization? Yes, Mayur.
Daily entries
Like
of employees. आता आपल्या कॉलेजमध्ये कसं सर लोकांना
Okay.
एंट्री केल्यानंतर तिथं हे द्यावं लागतं थंब लाईक दॅट तशी entries.
Mhm. Only that much is the meaning of record keeping. Anything else than that?
Mm.
Record keeping of an organization. One point you told me. Yes, anybody else?
Payment of workers.
Yes.
Payment of workers.
Payroll system entries. The technical word for that, payroll system entries. What? So daily record keeping of an organization include all these things. Can you able to see this next slide? Yes.
Yes.
First kind of record like daily record keeping of sales and purchase. What? Sales and purchase means today is the 13th of July. How much sale is happened today of particular product, and whether the organization has purchased any raw material. Entry of that is being done where? In the transaction processing system. Got the first point? Got? Yes. First point understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Daily record keeping of sales and purchase. Second record can be a inventories available. Now you tell me about this. Inventories available. Last time I told you meaning of inventory. Inventory in the sense the material available. What? Inventory in the sense material. So it can be the raw material also. Okay. So record keeping of inventories, that is the another point. Next point, this now the some students told me related with the payment record. For that the technical term is what? Payroll system, the entries of payrolls. And lastly, most important, billing system. What? Billing system. Billing system in the sense, what do you mean by the billing system?
जे काही सेल केलंय किंवा परचेस
Yes,
केलंय त्याचे बिलिंग.
त्याचं बिलिंग. जे काही सेल केले परचेस केले त्याचं बिलिंग. Understood. So all these kind of record, what all these kind of record, and to maintain that record, the kind of information system being used is nothing but what? Our first information system, transaction processing system. समजलं सगळ्यांना?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can we go to the next type of information system?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, when you go to the next information system, now what we do, we'll carry on with one example. Suppose today itself, the employee enter within a company or the organization, and whoever be the manager there, manager give the today's task to the employee. For example, we consider here the kind of employee as a salesman. Okay. Employee we are considering as what? The salesman within a company. Correct. Okay. All of you are getting my voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What example we are considering? Today the manager has assigned one task to the employee. The employee are nothing but the salesman of the companies. Manager has assigned the task to the 10 salesmen to sell the XYZ product in certain areas. Understood the situation? Yes. Understand this example that I am giving you.
Yes, sir.
What situation I told you? What situation I told you?
मॅनेजर ने एम्प्लॉयला टास्क दिलाय
Yeah,
का पर्टिक्युलर
manager has
एरियामध्ये?
assigned the task to the 10 employees. Employeeचा type काय किती salesman आहेत, correct? And manager has asked them to sell the some XYZ product. काहीतरी एक product आहे XYZ, and to sell that product in certain areas, correct? Now, when that employee will go into the certain area and they will sell the product, and in the evening they will come back to the organization, correct?
Yes, sir.
Correct. When they come back to the organization, their entries will be made in the which information system? Transaction processing system, correct or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Each individual employee salesman record ki how much item they have sell, how much product they have sell, their entries will be done in the transaction processing system. There comes the utilization of the transaction processing system. Now let's move forward to the next. Now we'll carry on with the same example. First we understand the second information system. Now here second information system is what? The management information system. And where actually it is being getting utilized? At which level of management? Middle manager, or by the, which is being also called as the junior managers also, correct? Okay, now these middle managers required, what middle managers required? He required the summary of the record. What he requires? Summary of today's sale record. Okay, what he needs? Summaries of the today's sale record. How he can get it? All of you understood my question?
No, sir.
What I asked you, middle management, where which peoples are working? Middle managers. What they need? They need summary of the today's sale record. Summaries in the sense what?
Okay.
Huh?
Sales काय काय झाले, किती sales झाले, काय काय झाले.
Ha, overall record. How, which particular employee has sell how many items, and out of making the average of all these 10 salesmen record, that is nothing but the summary of the sales of particular today's record. Understood? So providing the summary of today's sale record of these 10 salesmen, that is being done by whom? That is being done by which information system? Management information system. You got the point?
Yes, sir.
In the transaction processing system, we are making the individual entries. Okay, but
Yes.
middle manager required what? Middle manager requires the consolidated record. What? Consolidated in the sense the combined record. Ki how much total number of items has been sale by total number of employees today, or the salesman today. Okay, so that kind of information the middle manager can get. The middle manager can get that kind of information using which kind of information system? The management information system. Understood? Now daily, that is I have mentioned here, for what purpose it is used? It is used for the purpose of what? Summary report. It is used for the purpose of what? Summary report. If during the starting of the day manager has given the task to the employee that today at least your selling total number of items must cross how much items? 500 items. How much? 500 items. Now management information system can give that kind of information to the middle manager by doing some calculation on total number of items sold by the each of the individual employee, and that record is nothing but the summaries prepared. That is called as what? The summary prepared. Understood? Now management information system being utilized by the middle manager, management or the middle manager, how this information system will do the calculation of this summary, how it will process that particular data and generate the summary. So to generate this summary, this management information system need a data from which information system? The first information system, that is called as what? The transaction processing system. All of you understood?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Management information system कौन use करता? Middle manager, correct? So what middle manager refers? Middle manager refer the summary report. Okay, combined report. How this combined report can be generated? Only after some input will be given from the transaction information system, then only this summary report can be get generated. Understood? And after the middle manager get the summary report, suppose overall today, as during the starting of the day, manager has asked at least 500 items must be get sale, but only 400 items get sale. Correct? Only 400 items get sale, 100 less than the target. Yes or no?
Yes.
So based on that report, the middle manager can make the decision. What he can do? He can make the decision from tomorrow you must put more effort, or he may take the decision, to add more number of salesmen in that areas. Like that kind of decision can be taken by whom? The middle manager, which is being working, or which is being referring what? The management information system. Which is being referring what? Management information system. Understood all of you? Second type of information system.
Yes, sir.
Who is
Yes, sir.
it is utilized by whom? Middle manager, correct? Or the junior manager. For what purposes it is utilized?
Summary report or action.
Summary report,
Summarize
combined
the-
report, and from that what he can do? He can generate some action report.
Decision.
If the employee has sale less than the target, then he can create one action report, or he can take some kind of decision in that he might increase the number of salesmen in that area, or he might replace another salesman in place of the today's salesman if some salesman has not done their duties as compared with the another salesman. Yes or no?
Yes.
So accordingly, this information system being utilized by the middle manager for this kind of different purpose and to make the various kind of decision. Okay, let's move forward to the next third information system, that is nothing but what? Decision support system, or which can be also called as decision information system. It is utilized by whom? It is utilized by the senior managers.
Senior manager. or HR.
Okay, or the HRs. Now here you have to take in mind, keep in mind, this is being also utilized by the middle management also. According to the level management, decision support system is also utilized by which level of the management? Middle management only.
Middle.
But in the middle management, there can be a junior managers, as well as there can be a senior managers.
Senior manager.
Yes, so decision support system is utilized by the senior managers or the HR, etc., etc. Okay. Now, for what purpose it is being utilized? That is my question. Now, purpose for which it is being utilized is nothing but handling the complex data and representation of the complex data by some simplified way. That simplified way can be either your graphs and it can be your charts. Now, this particular third information system, that is the decision support system, it is also doing the same thing that is being done by our second information system, that is the management information system. Only difference here is what? See here, only difference here is what? This summary report, this kind of summary report is being converted into, this summary report is being converted into some kind of graphical representation for the purpose of better understanding. That is the reason I have written here representation of complex data by graphs and the charts. All of you are getting? Yes.
Yes, sir.
What is the utilization of the decision support system and how it is different from the management information system? How it is different from the management information system? Yes. First difference is what? It is being utilized by which peoples? Senior managers or the HRs. Okay. Now this information system, it is being utilized to do the deep analysis and to transform the information they are getting from the management information system, that is from the second information system, and representation of that information system in the more simplified way. Okay. Now if I ask you data which is being entered in the Excel file, where data which is being entered in the Excel file, and representation of that data by using some graphs and the chart, which one is the more easily understandable? That is my question.
Graphical. More understandable.
All of you got the question?
But easily understood.
Data which is being entered in the Excel format and data which is being represented in the using the graphs and the chart, which one is the more understandable? Definitely graphs and charts. Now another related to that, another question I want to ask: to make the decision using the Excel form data versus to make the decision using the graphs and chart, which decision will be made more quickly?
Graphs and charts.
Graphs and the charts. That is the point I want to make you clear here. Key decision difference between the decision support system and management support system, management information system, is not too much. Only the data which is being received from the management information system being represented in more simplified form. That is nothing more simplified form is nothing but the representation using the graphs and chart, so that it will be this kind of more complex data, more complex kind of data can be represented in the more simplified form, and from that the quick decision making can be done from the middle management. That is nothing but the main utilization of our third information system, that is the decision support system. All of you understood the third one?
Yes, sir.
All of you understood the difference between the second information system and the third information system?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. So according to our example that we are discussing related with the salesman, if the junior managers give record to the senior managers or to the higher managers, which is higher than the junior managers, so we consider here just the junior manager and the senior manager. So junior manager will be utilizing which information system? MIS. Senior manager utilizing which information system? Decision support system. So junior manager provide the data in the form of, for example, we consider in the Excel form. To transform that data into graphs and chart, that is being done by which information system? Decision support system, so that the senior managers or the HRs, they can take the, or they can make the process of decision making quickly as compared with the previous kind of information system. So representation of more complex data in simplified form so that the process of decision making can be improved. That is only nothing but the utilization of third information system. That is what? Decision support system. All of you got the point? Yes. All of you got the difference between the second information system and the third?
Yes, sir.
लक्षात आलं का? Difference is what? Only related with the representation of data, and if the data representation happens more simplified way, then the process of making decision will be get improved.
Easy.
Correct? So that is nothing but the difference here. Let's move forward to the last kind of information system, which is being utilized by whom? The top management. Whom? Top management of the organization. And name of that information system is what? Executive information system. What do you mean by the executive means what? What do you mean by the executive? Yes.
In progress.
Executive. Meaning of the executive. Yes. Mayur, what do you mean by the executive?
तर जसं आपण मिडल मॅनेजर कसं समरी रिपोर्ट सिनियर मॅनेजरला देतो, तसंच सिनियर मॅनेजर आपलं जे ग्राफिकल रिप्रेझेंटेशन आहे
बरोबर
ते टॉप मॅनेजमेंट कडे देतं, म्हणजे ते एक फायनल डिसिजन घेऊ शकतं.
नाही, what I am asking ki executive means who? Which kind of peoples?
Executive means chairman.
बरोबर नाही तर लिहिलं already I have mentioned here chairman, vice chairman, okay, chairman, vice chairman, director, CEO, etc. That is all being come under the top management of the certain industries. Understood? Now top management utilize the information given by the third information system. This is the what you can say level wise, means information provided by the first information system, that is the TPS, utilized by whom? Management information system. On that information system certain processing happens, then this information system provided from the MIS to the next information system, that is the decision support system. Here also, here information which the decision support system get from the MIS, on that some processing happens and the representation of that in the form of the graphs and chart happens, and then it is being given to the top management like the chairman, vice chairman, or the president, director, CEO, etc. So the executive information system utilize the information that is they are receiving from. Now what we are discussing here, this is complete chain of what? The TPS provide the information to the MIS, and MIS provide the information to the DSS, and again the DSS provide information to the executive information system. All of you got this scenario?
Yes.
Yes. Now currently we are discussing the executive information system. Who is using this information system? The top management, etc., etc. Okay. Now this kind of information system is also called as another name for that is the ESS, executive support system, and it is being utilized for the top management or the senior most. You can also give the name it as senior most management also. Okay. Now what exactly it does? What is the exact role or purpose for which the executive information system being utilized by top management of the certain industry? Okay. Now here I have written for what purpose it is being utilized. So the top management with the help of the executive information system, it the kind of support they get from the executive information system, that is nothing but by using the various format reports they are receiving from the all management levels. Okay, whatever the reports they are getting from the first information system, second information system, and third information system, everything being reaches to whom? Everything being reaches to the last kind of information system, that is what? Executive information system. And then their executive information system try to generate some trend report. What it generates? Some kind of trend report. Means what? Trend report. What do you mean by the word trend? Take the same example that we are discussing, because that is regarding the selling of the product. Now record related with the selling of the product generated in the TPS, then it goes to the MIS, then from the MIS it goes to the decision support system, then from the decision support system it reaches to the whom? Executive information system. Who is going to utilize the executive information system? Top management of the company. Now executive information system generate the different kinds of trend report. Means what? Trend report. Trend means what? Can anybody tell me what is the meaning of trend?
मॅक्सिमम लोकांना जे आवडतं,
Exactly.
फेमस होऊन जातं त्याला.
Exactly. Suppose for example nowadays the trend is going on related with the Swadeshi product because of our tension with the China, correct?
Yes.
What fashion is going on, that we should utilize what? The made in India product, correct?
Made in India product. Yes.
That is nothing but the current trend going on.
Yes.
So certain trend can also be related with the single product, yes or no? Certain kind of trend can be related with the single product, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So if certain product demand is huge in the market, you understand the situation. What? Certain product demand is what? Huge in the market. Then company can decide to launch the new product, yes or no? If certain product demand is huge, company can decide, can able to decide the new product launching, yes or no? All of you are getting what I am asking. If certain product trend related with certain product is very positive in the market, for example smartphone, take example what? Smartphone. Everybody is utilizing what? Smartphone. So certain company can decide to launch the new kind of smartphone in the company, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
If company selling some product and selling of that product or demand of that product is continuously decreasing, okay? If company is selling some product and demand of that product is continuously what is happening? Decreasing, correct? Can company take the decision of delisting that existing product?
What?
Delisting means what? Do you understand the meaning of delisting?
Not making that product.
Stop making the production of certain product. That is nothing but the meaning of delisting. Correct? How, when company can take such kind of decision?
It is in not demand or trend.
How the company will know that is not in the demand?
By the public reactions.
by how the
or not selling that.
how this kind of things will reach to the executive or to the top management? Will the information system can be a most useful there?
Yes.
Exactly.
Yes, sir.
Because how the
Transaction
top
to
management
manage.
will know? Top management will know according to the record they will get from whom? Transaction processing system, then from the management information system, and then from the decision support system, and
Support
at
system.
last this information will reach to the executive information system, and executive information trend will be according to that XYZ product, trend will be positive or the negative. Related with the product whose demand is decreasing, the trend will be positive or the negative?
Negative.
Exactly, the trend will be negative, and that kind of generation of trend report will be done by which information system? That kind of trend report generation will be done by which information system?
Executive.
That is the your last information system, executive information system. And so to stop the production of certain product, this kind of decision cannot be taken by the this information system or the peoples who are working in the middle management or the peoples who are working in the lower management. These peoples cannot take this decision whether to launch new product or whether to delist the existing product. Such kind of decision only taken place by whom? Executive of the certain company, that is nothing but top management of the company. That is with the help of what? Which kind of information system? Executive information system. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Other information system role is what? To just provide that kind of information to the top management. That is nothing but the role of all these information system. काय की ही जी information ही कुणापर्यंत पोहोचली पाहिजे? Top management पर्यंत.
Top management.
Might be in the different forms. Each of these information system is maintaining their record in the different forms. Correct?
Yes.
So at last, all this information must reach to the executive information system, and then only the decision can be taken. Understood? Even if middle management or the lower management takes some decision, approval for that decision will be taken by, or approval for that decision only made by which information system only? Executive information system. And that is nothing but what we can say, role performed by our last information system, that is the executive information system. All of you got the point?
Yes, sir.
All of you got the last information system?
Yes.
Yes? All of you got the last information system?
Yes, sir.
And here also I have mentioned the same point that we have discussed. It helps to analyze the trends by viewing the various kind of reports, including the summaries, including the charts, graphs, and then making the strategic decision for the business. Making the strategic decision in the sense can make the long-term plan for certain companies, long-term strategies or the long-term plan for certain decision related with certain company. And if the company will not follow the trend reports, or company not follow the market demands, then what can happen? That example for that, you can take the example for that, best example you can take, that is the example of Nokia mobile company. All of you must be knowing about the Nokia company.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Is there anybody who is using the Nokia company mobile now? Huh?
आता नाही वापरत.
You will not find 1% people also. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
But
Yes, sir.
if you see the period before the 10 years, if you see the period before the 10 years, 80% of market were captured by the Nokia company.
Yes,
What?
sir.
How much?
Yes, sir.
80% of market were captured by the Nokia company. Then how they have come in this kind of situation today? Why there is a such kind of poor situation of Nokia company today? Can anybody tell me?
तर स्मार्टफोन आले म्हणजे
Update.
स्क्रीन टच वाले आले त्यामुळं हळूहळू आता नोकियाचे फक्त बटन वालेच जायचे पहिले
हा हा
पण ते स्क्रीन टच आले म्हणून हळूहळू ते बटनचे सगळे म्हणे नको
screen touch etc means Nokia fail to go along with the trend of the market, correct or not?
यस यस
Yes.
They didn't focus on what exactly the customer is demanding. Customer was not demanding the expensive mobile. Customer was demanding the cheap mobile with more functionality. Am I right or not?
यस
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But the Nokia didn't adapt or didn't change according to the demand of the customers. They just focus on the hardware of the mobile. There is a one big advantage related with the Nokia company mobile. You can ask to the dealers also that hardware being utilized in the Nokia company mobiles are most that hardware is having the longest life as compared with the any other mobile hardware. For your kind information, means what? That mobile life is more as compared with the other smartphone mobile. Correct? If the mobile hardware is what we can say of very good quality, then definitely the life of the mobile will be longer as compared with the other company mobile. But today's situation is what? आपण स्मार्टफोन जास्तीत जास्त किती वर्ष यूज करतोय?
2 year hardly.
Hardly 2 years, correct? Hardly 2 years. And that is the reason the other companies like the Samsung, Redmi, or there are the Apple, number of companies are providing the better functionality as compared with the Nokia. Understood? So such kind of feedback from the market or such kind of response from the market nowadays can easily reach to the top management of the company within a very less amount of time, and reason for that is nothing but evolution of the various kind of information system, that is from transaction information system to the management information system to the decision support system up till executive information system. Correct or not? Yes. All of you got the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is nothing but the our today's session, various types of the information systems, who is utilizing that information system at the various level of management, and for what purpose these information system are being getting utilized. Correct? So lastly, just we just recap who is utilizing the transaction processing system.
Workers.
For what purpose? Daily record keeping.
Yes, daily record.
Next, who is using the management information system?
Middle management.
Middle management, like you can call there the junior managers. Okay. For what purpose they are using that?
Daily summary
Generating the summary of information they are getting from the previous information system. Next, who is using the decision support system?
Senior manager.
senior manager or
For what
Senior
purpose?
manager, HR,
For what
For
purpose?
representation of
representation of complex data by
Data.
graphs and
Yes,
graph and charts.
exactly. And lastly, who is using the executive information system?
top management.
Top management.
top management.
For what purpose?
Directors, COE.
Trend report.
To generate the trend report, and from that trend report to take the decision like new product launching, delisting the existing product, approval for the decision taken by the low level management, etc. Now my pointed question here, last question I want to ask you, pointed question. If the transaction processing system will not work properly, all of you are listening.
Yes,
If the
sir.
transaction processing system will not work properly, then will the management information system will get the correct input or not?
no.
No. These all systems
No.
are interlinked with each other for your kind information. The output generated by the transaction processing system given as an input to the management information system.
Management
Then output generated by the management information system given as an input to the decision support system, and
support system.
output generated by the DSS is given to the executive information system. So in order to get the complete benefit of the information system to the particular company, all these kind of information system need to be work properly. Correct or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that is nothing but our today's point of discussion. समजले सगळ्यांना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here today I have the one quote for you. That is the today's quote. Do something today that your future itself will thank you for that. Means what? Don't waste the today's time that you are getting. Utilize that time to learn something new things, so that that new thing will help you in the future. Correct?
Future. Yes, sir.
So that's it
Yes, sir.
for the today's session. Shall I conclude now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Wait for 1 minute. Let me take your attendance.
Okay, sir.
Okay. If anybody have not got any point, I am uploading this video on the YouTube. In the YouTube also, you can comment me for any doubt. Okay. I will definitely answer them. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you all of you.